Meaning of homozygote.
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 Homozygote. Homozygote refers to an organism that has two identical copies of a particular gene. In other words, both copies of the gene inherited from each parent are the same. Homozygotes can either have two copies of the dominant allele, which expresses the dominant trait, or two copies of the recessive allele, which expresses a recessive trait. The result for a homozygote depends on the specific gene and its expression patterns, but in general, homozygosity can increase the probability of genetic disorders if the gene carries a harmful mutation. However, it can also increase the chances of passing on desirable traits if the gene is beneficial.